the time of my reevaluation of what seemed like everything. And that's when my husband was like, something needs to happen. You need to sleep, you need to eat, like, the important things of life. So he wasn't asking for much. But I had to reevaluate. And I'll tell you, there were 4 different clients I was serving at the time, specifically on top of my other workload, that weren't technically bringing me joy, if that's what you want to say. Anytime I got an email from them, I would kind of have like a little gut pit in my stomach. And not because they weren't amazing women, they absolutely were, but it's because they didn't align with those 4 important statements here. And so I didn't feel like I was serving them to the best of my abilities. It was sucking out time. It was sucking out energy. So this is where I really had to jump in and reevaluate this. And I actually let 4 clients go within a span of 2 months last year. And those were my 2 most profitable months. And that just says it all, just because I was able to work more on what I love to do and work for those that I felt I was serving to the best of my abilities.